Say that it feels right, it feels right, yeah.
Max your journey. What's going on? My name is Alvin and this is the camping page for tips, tricks, adventures, everything. Check out the videos. Today you're here for a review of the PT Tracer, the 29 QBD. It's a 2021. You want to check this thing out. I'm excited. I'm telling you, I did a quick walkthrough. I'm excited about this one. I'm talking the finishings, the doors, the details in this thing is beautiful. It does have two flaws in my opinion, but you have to decide for yourself. Is this the one? 2021 Tracer, is this the one for you? Bunkhouse, big bed. Let's get into it, man. I'm excited. All right, let's get right into it. As you can see, 29 QBD bonded aluminum structure. You have the dry weight sticker right here for you. 6368. All right, I'm gonna start right here with this outside kitchen because I have not seen this. You got the sink, which is definitely convenient. You have a Domatic outdoor kitchen, runs off the propane, which hooks up underneath right there with a quick connect. I love that. And if you've seen my last video, you know you need these automatic electric stabilizers. These are awesome. The switch must be on the other side, but that is a great feature to have. You have a mini fridge out here, ever chill, pretty good size. It's pretty standard. That's what most of these outdoor kitchens have. And they also have a nice shelf, crock pot, anything you can throw right on here and leave it outside. I love that thing, man. That looks good. Rims on this thing are amazing also. That's a feature that, you know, it's not standard. These right here, the solid steps, love those, man. I'm telling you, the details. This is your pass-through, and that box contains your water hookups. It comes with the power cable, and it is great. I mean, look at this awning. That's probably about an 18-foot awning. Plenty of shade on this bad boy. Let's go around. Propane tanks up front. You have that nice rock guard right there in the front as well. Let's see here. There's your hookups. If you're wondering what they look like, they even got the little storage to keep everything nice. A battery disconnect. You definitely want that now. You don't have to do the work. And it also has a little spray down station over here too. How amazing is that? Fresh water, light to work, storage. You just get a lot out of this. Like I said, Tracer right there, prime time. Then you have a pass-through storage that's going to lead you right into the bunkhouse. That's where you're going to put little bikes in there, your totes, anything, quick access on the road. Love it. Let's get inside this thing. It is beautiful. No ladder though. No ladder to get on top. So let's get inside. First thing you notice when you come in, these floors are gorgeous. Everybody loves that light tone that is in style right now. 2021, that is in. You walk in. Let's just get in here. Look at this. You got the couch. You got the black blinds. I love the color scheme that they went with. They went with light and dark. Just a quick walk around. We're going to start right here in the master bedroom. And we're going to start with these doors. I can't look at these doors. I'm telling you, this is a upgrade. You do not get these solid doors like this, man. That is beautiful. Beautiful. You have the storage above. Let's see. You got the storage above. You also got the two cabinets or your wardrobes on the side. Your bed, standard queen. You have your mount already here for your TV. It goes right there, plugs up top. Beautiful windows on both sides, and these doors are freaking great. I cannot talk about those enough. Storage under the bed also. There is storage under the bed, and there's also little hookups beside the bed. Run your phone, have little things set up here. So that is great. If you want to see that storage, throw away some stuff under there, store it away. All right, but check out the entertainment system. I'm thinking 32, probably can fit about a 47, somewhere in there. Comes with the sound bar. I've never seen that before. I personally have never seen this before. Soundbar, HDMI, USB. You're going to have a great time. Fresh wood, as you can see. You got your cabinets under there. Not much room in those two. And we personally use these kind of cabinets for shoe storage at the bottom. You walk in, throw them dirty shoes under there, and it goes far back. Nice little storage for bigger pots and pans as well. Make our way over to the couch. Like I said, I am 6'6", 260 pounds, let's say. And you know I gotta sit on this couch. Let's check it out. The couch is comfy. I have not seen this material. I'm not too sure. But this does turn into a bed. You pull these up and the bed is in here. I mean, how awesome is that? And that's probably a nice size queen in there. That is amazing. All right, so you've seen the couch. Now you have the dinette, but it also has this beautiful detail, attention to detail. You have a chandelier above your sitting area. Man, I'm telling you, that little stuff makes you so happy. Of course, you cannot have it, but it's great to have it included in your price. Move over to the kitchen. Tons of little cabinets here, and tons of little drawers already lined. That's a great little touch. Step back. That storage passes all the way through to the other side. That's why I said pots and pans. That would be awesome. The sink, you get the one, I call it farm styles. Right here, as you can see, stainless steel, winterized already. That's what you're seeing in there. I'll set that back up at the end. Storage up top. Looks like they're selling this one for $28,000. Let's say $28,000. Again, 2021 PT Tracer. Check out the microwave Furrion. This is even beautiful. I mean, look at this. The kind of mirrored on here. It looks like it does hold fingerprints, but try not to touch it. This is even better. I have not seen this type of vent fan before. Your backsplash is gorgeous. And then you have your 3-burner tri-fold top propane oven and cooking surface stove. From there, you move on to the fridge, standard size, Nomadic, nothing to complain about there. And then we're back to more storage in the pantry, which every camper, if you're on the road, even a weekend, you can fill this bad boy up. And if not, you can always put clothes in here. Some people forget. Just because it's right here, a lot of these things serve more than one purpose. Let's get into the bathroom. Again, with the heavy doors. That's one of my favorite things. I'm telling you, if you've been in a camper, this is real. This is solid all the way through. That door is solid. We go to the bathroom. I am 6'6". I'm going to bring up a flaw right now. It would be the height in the shower. Unfortunately, at 6'6", I cannot fit in this shower. I tried it. My head even has to lean with the skylight. But for a normal person, I'm not normal, right? You can fit in here, no problem. Look at the details. Little bench to sit on. Little area to, flushes out. They even paid attention to detail with the head in here. This is an upgrade. You usually don't get the stainless steel. You get the white, cheap plastic ones. Nice setup in here. Underneath, get a little storage for your drop-ins, the potty. And hey, I gotta do it. I gotta sit down on this bad boy. I'm gonna sit right here on the top. I got plenty of room on the sides. Plenty of room, and I also got room in front of my legs, which is another bonus. This is something I love to do when you sit in here, because you have to use the potty. So you want to sit on here and see what you're working with. And I'll do it with the door closed. Plenty of room. Plenty of room, guys. I love it. You got your sensors right here. Easy to keep track of your tank while you're right on the tank. So it's not bad. Storage underneath this as well. It doesn't have the drawers. Some do have the drawers. You can put that in. Nice feature. So far, the flaws are the bathroom shower. Here is the bunkhouse. 1 bunk, 2 bunks, 3 bunks, and this turns into a bunk or relaxing area for the kids. They can lay down on there, and they can put these together. These fold out. This is nice, a nice area to relax. But as you can see, this lays all the way across the floor, both sides. Comes with a nice ladder too, because you do not get a ladder in a lot of campers. You might be surprised or think, oh, it has bunks, I'm gonna get a ladder. $70 later, you're buying a ladder. Have some plugs under here. Little TV area with a little bit of storage here. TV goes here, that pass through. And right in here, I'm just gonna point it out. The flaw with this area is there is no closet. No closet at all. So that will make it tough for anybody buying this one. So that's a third flaw that I just noticed. So I'm gonna add that to the list. It's not one of my major ones. But there's no closet except for that little teeny thing right there. But the details, the skylight, 1, 2, 1 in the bedroom, 3, the kitchen, amazing. Another major flaw for me though, the height. I can't buy this thing. I am not walking around scraping, but I am, again, a tall person. So that's one of the issues I got to deal with, and it's one of my key buying factors. I don't know what yours are, but please let me know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Let me know, what did you like most about this? Will you consider this one? Because it is pretty freaking great. I love it, man. Hookups, everything. Making sure I don't miss nothing for you. Trying to keep it short and sweet. And as you can see, I have plenty of other videos, other reviews, several 2021 models that you want to check out if you want to get into camping. And this is the channel for that. My name's Alvin. Thank you again. I'll see you on the next video. Max your journey. Peace.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt. Felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective. I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.